Hi, I'm Debbie Hepplewhite. I'm a teacher and teacher trainer and mother and grandmother. I've written a phonics programme which is going to be helpful to people all across the world. If you're interested in learning about the English language and how to read and write it, this phonics programme will be very helpful. Everybody knows about the alphabet, and if I asked you to write down the alphabet you probably could. But if I asked you to write down a version of the alphabetic code, would you be able to? Well, when we teach about the writing system and the reading system in the English language, it's really helpful to have a reference chart which visually shows you what the alphabetic code consists of. I've designed some versions of these which are free to everybody around the world, and you can find them online at www.phonicsinternational.com. There are many versions for different purposes, so you might want a giant one to put in your classroom. You might want a smaller version that you can send home to parents if you're in a school or for your record keeping purposes. But please have a look, because you can actually use these charts with any other synthetic phonics programme as well as Phonics International itself. What I'm going to do now is read off the sounds in the order that I've put them on my reference charts. And so always you will find the sounds or the phonemes of the English language down the left-hand column, and you'll find the spelling alternatives and the exemplar words across all of the rows. There are about 44 sounds or phonemes that we can identify in English speech. They're the smallest units of sound. And what we're doing is we're showing how we relate the sounds of our speech to the written code. So here we go. Snake. Apple. Teddy. Insect. Pan. Net. Cat. Egg. Hat. Rat. Map. Dig. Girl. Orange. Umbrella. Ladder. Kettle. Feathers. Bat. Jug. Yawn. Aid. Web. Oak. The next sounds I'm going to say aren't the first sound of the exemplar words, so you need to listen out for them, and I'm going to describe this as I, as in night. I, as in tie or night. E, as in eel. Or, as in fork. Zebra. As in gong. As in ink. Violin. As in book. As in moon. X, as in fox. Ch, as in chairs. Sheep. Thistle. There. Queen. Ow, ouch. Oi, ointment. U, as in statue. As in mermaid. Artist. Air, as in hair. Ear, as in deer. J, as in television. More later. Thank you.